We've just acquired this lovely Volvo V70 2.4D diesel. Absolutely lovely condition. It is one owner from new. Service history is impeccable with Volvo. I'll repeat that again, one owner from new. It's very high spec. Electric opening tailgate. Boot area is in lovely condition. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats. Seats are in beautiful condition. It's got factory fitted satellite navigation. 3-stage heated seats, performance radio with DAB. So 93,588 miles, cruise control, 6-speed gearbox, got the remote for the satellite navigation, aux and USB. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.